September, back to school, Thursday morning. I walk into the classroom. It's my favorite lesson. Kids love it. Me too. But this year something's wrong. There is this girl, Anna. She's so negative, refuses to work, criticizes me a lot. We deserve a better teacher, she says. We don't like you. Other kids stay silent, but that's not enough for me, neither for Anna. She tries to involve the rest of the class in this small rebellion of hers, but she's almost alone. It's unfair. I'm not angry. Perhaps I should be. Bell rings. I thought I could handle tough kids. There is always a subject. For boys, it's martial arts, graffiti, their after-school job. For girls, it's easier. They just love talking. But not Anna. I feel talking to Anna is not a good idea. What did I do wrong this year? I don't have a clue. It's Thursday morning again. I'm sitting in the teacher's room, waiting for the bell to ring. I have to walk into Anna's class. I don't want to. I feel tired already. An older teacher is sitting next to me. She's a calm and forgiving lady. She was born in this town. She knows a lot about our students' lives, local family stories. I turn to her. You know, I have a problem with Anna. She is so hostile. She tells me what everybody already knew. It happened 14 years ago. Anna was a baby then. Her parents had left her home with an aunt. They were going to a wedding. They had a car accident. Anna's dad, mom, and little sisters were killed. Anna was raised by her aunt's family. It was tough for everybody. The burden was lifted from me. It's not about me. It's about her, little Anna. I could feel the same. I could behave even worse. There are moments when you feel life has been unfair to you. There are moments that innocent, happy people make you so angry. They seem so fake, so unreal, like TV commercials. I'm not afraid to face Anna anymore. She's just a girl, so unhappy, so alone. Bell rings. It's time to go to my class. It's time to teach Anna.